welcome to my channel. I am Shimoli Shah. In my channel, I try to learn and share new things with you. Today I will share how to make a origami rabbit with easy steps. So for making a origami rabbit, we will take a 6 by 6 centimeter of a square paper. First we will fold it cross out of it. And this is the cross. Now we will fold it half. Open it. This middle line, we will match this edge with this middle line. Same on the other side. We'll open it. Fold it half. Again we will match this edge with this middle line. Same on the other side. So we will get this. Now we will again fold like this, and we will take this part and we'll fold it till this line edge, this line, and push it in the shape of a triangle. Same on the other side, this line, this way. Now we will turn it back, and this we will fold it back now here. So again we will turn it back. We will join this corner with the middle line. And press it. Same on the other side. This way. Now fold it in the front, so back portion will come in the front. This. Turn back, and this corner we will fold a bit this way, and we will fold it half now, like this. Like this. Now push it bit and press it, then push this upwards and press it like this. So now as this half line, we will fold it this corner to this corner. Open it and open the shape, turn back with this middle line, straight middle line. We will fold it down, back side, and fold it again, and this original shape. So this will be the shape. Now we will make its ears. So for making its ears, we will fold this corner half, and same on the other side. put our fingers in between and press it. Same on the other ear, like this. So this is our ears. Now we will prepare its body shape. So fold this corner a bit and in a triangle shape, open it and push it in a bit like this. So our rabbit is ready, and now we will decorate it. So friends, you can decorate its eyes also, and you can also use sketch pens, cotton, colorful pencils, etc. to decorate it. I am showing it only with pen like this. So this is our rabbit. So friends, thank you, and if you like this video then please give me likes. Thank you. See you in the next video.